Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll understand Hibernate versus Spring Data JPA. Spring Data JPA is a Spring Framework module that provides repository abstraction and eliminates boilerplate persistence layer code. Here, Hibernate is a Java ORM framework that helps to map Java object to database table and handles database operations without writing SQL queries manually. See here, whenever we perform any database operation, then Spring Data JPA delegates the operation to JPA. That means Spring Data JPA does not talk to the database directly. Here, JPA stands for Java Persistence API. JPA is the standard specification, not an implementation. JPA defines rules for ORM and persistence. Internally, it will use Hibernate as a JPA implementation. We can also call it as JPA provider. Here, Hibernate is a JPA implementation. Hibernate is the actual ORM engine. It is responsible to convert entities to SQL queries and handles relationships, cascades, and also manages caching and also generates optimized SQL queries. Hibernate handles the core ORM operations behind the scenes, and Hibernate uses JDBC API to communicate with the database. Here, JDBC is the Java standard API for database connectivity. Hibernate uses JDBC internally to open connection and creates the prepared statement and binds the parameters and execute SQL statements, then receives result set object. Actually, we are not required to write JDBC code when using Spring Data JPA. Let's see the summary. Spring Data JPA provides a high-level repository abstraction that delegates persistence operation to JPA, which is implemented by the Hibernate, which internally uses JDBC API to communicate with the database. Okay, I will see you in the next video.